Gotcha!
This is an emergency alert message from the Texas Department of Public Safety. The following is an Amber Alert for a missing person in Texas. At 6:40 p.m. last Thursday, July 26, 2012, 16-year-old Josie Ramirez disappeared outside of a Best Buy in Fort Worth, Texas, after purchasing some DVDs she claimed were gifts for a friend named Luna. Josie is described as Hispanic with brown skin, short dark hair, and green eyes. She was last seen wearing blue jeans and a t-shirt with a cartoon character on it. She is 5'2" and weighs 115 pounds. Josie is suspected to have been abducted by an unknown suspect calling himself Luna. We have little info in Luna at the time, but if you are aware of the whereabouts of Josie, please call 911. This concludes our emergency alert.
Yay! I'm flying! Apples! This is the happiest I have ever been! Hey! I got my dream!
You didn't have to kill yourself for me. I am not worth your life. You had so much to live for, unlike me.